Good morning, friends. This video is about the Newton forward difference interpolation. So, what is basically the Newton forward difference interpolation, or when we have to use this method? So, if you are given the values of x and y, and if the difference between the corresponding values of x is constant throughout, then at that time you have to use this Newton forward difference interpolation formula. So we will see the general formula for this. Yg is equal to y naught plus u into delta y naught plus u in bracket u minus 1 upon 2 factorial into delta square y naught plus u in bracket u minus 1 into u minus 2 upon 3 factorial into delta cube y naught plus u in bracket u minus 1 in bracket into u minus 2 into u minus 3 upon 4 factorial into delta raised to 4 y naught. So this is the general formula. So we will see how we are going to use this general formula by considering one numerical. So the question is in front of you. In this numerical, you have to find out the value of y when the value of x is equal to 0.5 for the following table of x and y values using a Newton forward difference formula. So you can see here the values of x and y. The value of x is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Corresponding values of y are 1, 5, 25, 100 and 250. So what they have asked, when the value of x is equal to 0.5, means here when x is equal to 0.5, at that time corresponding value of y you have to calculate. So how we have to solve this numerical, we will see now. So first of all, we will write the given data. So from the table, if you consider this table, what they have given, the value of x naught they have given is equal to 0, then x1 is equal to 1, x2 is equal to 2, x3 is equal to 3, then x4 is equal to 4. Then corresponding values of y they have given, that is y naught is equal to 1, then y1 is equal to 5, y2 is equal to 25, y3 is equal to 100 and y4 is equal to 250. So first of all, I have written the given data from the values given in the table for x and y. After writing this, you have to prepare a table. So this is the table in front of you. So you can see here in the first column the values of x I have entered. Then the next column is for the value of y. After that, delta y naught, delta square y naught, delta cube y naught, delta raised to 4 y naught. So now it is important how we are going to calculate the value of delta y naught. So delta y naught, how you have to calculate? So you have to consider the value of y here. So if you subtract 5 minus 1, you will get 4. Then 25 minus 5, it will be 20. Then 100 minus 25, it is 75. Then 250 minus 100 is equal to 150. After that, to find out the value for delta square y naught, again you have to repeat the same procedure, but you have to subtract the values from this column of delta y naught. So 20 minus 4, it will be 16. Then 75 minus 20, it will be 55. Then 150 minus 75, it will be 75. Similarly, delta cube y naught is equal to 55 minus 16, it will be 39. Then 75 minus 55, it will be 20. And last 20 minus 39. So you don't have to reverse it. You have to subtract 20 minus 39. So it will be minus 19. So how long you have to carry out this process till you get the single value. So up till you get the single value, you have to repeat this process. Okay. After completing the table, the next step is that you have to calculate now u. So how you are going to calculate u? U is equal to xg minus x0 divided by h. So what is xg here? Xg is nothing but this value, the value of x. So x is equal to xg is equal to 0.5. So 0.5 minus x naught is our first value, that is 0. Okay, and h is what? 0 minus 1, 2 minus 1, that is 1, 3 minus 2 is equal to 1, 4 minus 3 is equal to 1. So h is equal to 1. So in this way you have to calculate the value of u. So your u is equal to 0.5. After that you have to write the general formula for Newton forward method. So yg is equal to y naught plus u into delta y naught plus u in bracket u minus 1 upon 2 factorial into delta square y naught plus u in bracket u minus 1 into u minus 2 upon 3 factorial into delta cube y naught plus u in bracket u minus 1 u minus 2 u minus 3 upon 4 factorial into delta raised to 4 y naught. So we know all the values. So you have to enter all the values in this formula and you have to calculate the value of yg. So y naught is equal to 1, u is equal to 0.5, delta y naught is nothing but this is your delta y naught value, this is your delta square y naught value, this is your delta cube y naught value, and this is your delta raised to 4 y naught value. Okay, so you have to enter all those values. 0.5 in bracket 0.5 minus 1 upon 2 factorial into delta square y naught is equal to 16 plus 0.5 into 0.5 minus 1 into 0.5 minus 2 upon 3 factorial is nothing but 6 into delta cube y naught is equal to 39 plus I will write here 0.5 in bracket 0.5 minus 1 into 0.5 minus 2 into 0.5 minus 3 upon 4 factorial, that is it is 24 into minus 19. Okay, so you have to solve all this and you will get the final answer as 4.1796. so this is the final answer. So when the value of x is equal to 0.5, the corresponding value of y will be 4.1796.